Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn on Windows Security Center service. So for that guys, just open your start menu and type in services. Alright, so open this up and in here scroll all the way down until you find Windows Security Service and everything that is related to it. So as you can see, the security service is actually going to be our Security Center service. Sometimes they rename them depending on which version of the Windows you're using. And if you want to turn it on, just right click and then start. As you can see, for me it's already running, that's why I can't start it. And then in properties, make sure if for example it's changed. As you can see, I can't even change it. If for you it's turned off or disabled, make sure to set it to manual or auto start. And after that you're done and your Windows security will be working perfectly fine. Enjoy guys. If this helped you, like and subscribe. See you next time.